so small you can find it, right? I'm Dirk Kochan, founder of United City Bikes. I'm not proud of my English, but I'm proud of this one.
We at United City Bikes are sure you like to be flexible and independent. You don't want to be stuck in traffic and spend your time looking for parking? At United City Bikes, we have developed a folding bike that takes urban mobility to the next level. We have asked ourselves, what do you actually need?
Our answer is the world's lightest, smartest, most flexible and most affordable electric folding bike.
A bike that only weighs 12.5 kilos is easy to carry, easy to store and easy to ride.
Quality is our top priority.
You invest in a product that is made to last. The One is not just another folding bike. It contains more than 20 patents, has a handmade magnesium alloy frame, and if you opt for the extra-large battery, it reaches up to 60 kilometers. You can fold the One in 10 seconds. A high-performance magnet holds it in place, and it's only 25 centimeters slim in folded condition. We at United City Bikes hope to change the world by changing the way we move. But we are convinced that changing the world can also be fun.
Get involved and become a part of our crowdfunding campaign.
We don't need crowdfunding to develop this bike, but to start rolling it out. This is a fully tested and certified product. We are ready for the next step to make the world's lightest electric folding bike accessible to everyone in every city in the world. Order the One, and it will come to you fully equipped and ready to use. No compromises, no hidden upgrades. The only compromise we made was the price. How do we manage to keep the cost down and the quality high? We use our experience. We source products from great partners. We know about manufacturing. We believe in crowdfunding and direct online trade. We produce as much as we need. We don't waste money on storage, dealerships, etc.
Everyone gets off this bike with a big smile. Support us to market the world's lightest and smartest electric folding bike globally. We are ready for the next step. Take it with us. Order the One now and you will save up to $890 on the regular price. And I promise that you will have it this summer.
The Scorpion is like nothing you've ever seen before on the e-bike market. My name is Tora Harris, founder of Juice Bikes. I'd like to introduce you to our newest product, the Scorpion. The Scorpion combines the retro look with the modern e-bike technology. It has a 52-volt battery, step-through frame, and a dual suspension. The inspiration behind the Scorpion was to capture that 1970s moped style, but make it electric, make it practical and fun, and also pack it with a lot of performance. One of the biggest highlights of the Scorpion is our 52-volt battery pack. This new battery pack gives you more power, more performance, and Juice Bikes is essentially the only e-bike company offering a production 52-volt battery on a modern e-bike platform. The other interesting thing about the Scorpion is going to be the full suspension system. A lot of e-bikes have a harsh ride. The Scorpion has a very, very supple ride. This is because we have rear suspension and we also have front suspension. When you ride the Scorpion, it feels like you're floating on air. It has a 750 watt motor, which is really fun to ride, more torque and more power. Powerful Tektro hydraulic disc brakes brings you to a stop and allows you to have precision control over your braking performance. Unlike most e-bikes in this category, the Scorpion has a Shimano 7-speed transmission. The transmission allows you to pedal easily up hills, but it also allows you to pedal comfortably at high speeds. The Scorpion features an advanced matrix display. This display shows you all the metrics of your ride. We upgraded the Scorpion with a motorcycle-style headlight. It's bigger, brighter, and safer. We had tremendous success with our Scrambler campaign, and we can't wait to introduce the Scorpion to the Indiegogo community. Your contribution will not only help launch the Scorpion, but it will also help launch the micromobility revolution.
This is the AMX. It's the next generation of electric bicycle by Analog Motion. Designed from the ground up, the AMX looks and rides like a bike, but enables you to move effortlessly through your city. With 3 new styles, the AMX is the most versatile e-bike we've ever created.
Last year, we launched the AM1 and delivered on our promise, shipping nearly 1,000 bikes to 200 cities in 38 countries around the world.
Since then, we've grown the team and set up manufacturing for all the individual components. And now we're back with a game-changing new electric bike.
Super veloce.
We've stripped back an e-bike to its purest form. To ride the AMX, simply insert the battery, switch it on, and move. The sensor, hidden in the pedals, amplifies your movement, allowing you to make your ride as fast and as effortless as you want. The AMX has a class-leading, high-density lithium battery that's smaller than a water bottle. Leave your laptop charger at home because each AMX battery doubles up as a USB-C power supply to power your devices when you're on the go. Ride confident with 26 miles of range. And if you need to go further, simply pack another battery and go. Every single component has been designed to make the AMX the most reliable, safe, and fun form of electric transport. The powerful motor hidden in the rear wheel is maintenance-free and completely silent. The wide tires handle rough terrain with ease. Oily chains can be replaced by an ultra-smooth, maintenance-free belt drive. The larger disc brakes have the stopping power you need for hard city riding. We've even integrated the front and rear lights. Our new Stealth OLED display has 5 levels of assist, allowing you to customize every trip, whilst being stealthy enough to make the AMX the most inconspicuous e-bike on the bike rack. Fully waterproof electronics are sealed in the aircraft-grade aluminium frame. All this, and we haven't compromised the weight. We're on a mission to empower you to discover your city your way. Feel confident knowing that you can arrive at your destination happier than when you left.
Yeah, man.
The AMX is the most affordable, high-performance e-bike. Join us and be the first to own one.
Not everyone likes bike riding, and sometimes bike riding doesn't like us. That's why we created an amazing riding experience like no other. It's fun, it's simple, and it's extremely stable.
Welcome to the DCTri commuter. With 3 wheels and a low center of gravity, you can comfortably stand and ride over long distances and at speed. All this with minimal physical effort, yet maximum enjoyment and fun. Simply step onto the platform, push the throttle down, and you're away. at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and with literally no effort at all. It's great for lifestyle, fun and sustainable urban commuting. With the addition of optional rear tyre sleeves, you can enjoy the sensation of drifting, spinning, wheel stands and trick riding. The trike features a range of high-quality bike components, including a lithium battery, which can enable you to ride up to 30 miles at a time. Forget about public transport or driving your car to work. Save your money and leave the traffic behind and arrive both stress and sweat-free. Our first delivery of trikes has arrived in Australia and we're truly excited. Now we need your support to take the DCTri to the world. With your backing, we can commit to immediate large-scale production. Your support will enable us to complete our next passion, the development of a wheelchair-accessible trike, which will allow increased freedom and accessibility for wheelchair users. So, check out the DCTri.
We hope you're as excited about the launch of the DC trike as we are. Come along and enjoy the ride.